For decades, the roar of an engine defined what it meant to love cars. The deep rumble, the smell of gasoline, and the thrill of shifting gears were all part of the magic that drew people in. Car culture was built around speed, sound, and the freedom of the open road. But now, the quiet hum of electric motors is taking over our streets and changing everything. Instead of noise, there's a smooth, almost futuristic silence. It's a new kind of excitement, one that's cleaner, more efficient, and surprisingly powerful. Electric cars, EVs, aren't just a futuristic idea anymore. They're here, and they're shaking up the auto world. You see them everywhere, in city centers, on highways, even in small towns. They're no longer rare or experimental, they're mainstream. It's wild to realize electric cars have been around for over a century, but only now are they finally stealing the spotlight. Early inventors dreamed of electric mobility, but the technology just wasn't ready. Until now. Thanks to leaps in battery technology, today's EVs are fast, practical, and can go hundreds of miles on a single charge. Charging is quicker and more convenient than ever, making range anxiety a thing of the past for most drivers. The turning point? People realized EVs aren't just about being green, they're about performance. Instant torque means lightning-fast acceleration and handling that rivals or even beats traditional sports cars. Automakers are pouring billions into electric vehicles, racing to build the next big thing. Research and development teams are working around the clock, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with electric power. Now every major car company is in the game, from American classics to European luxury brands. Even startups are entering the race, bringing fresh ideas and bold designs to the market. If they don't go electric, they risk being left behind. The market is shifting fast, and consumers are demanding cleaner, smarter vehicles. The pace of innovation is staggering. What's cutting edge today will be standard tomorrow. Features like autonomous driving, over-the-air updates, and advanced safety systems are becoming the norm. We're witnessing a total reinvention of the automobile, the biggest shift since cars were invented. The transition is happening before our eyes, reshaping cities, industries, and even the way we think about mobility. Road trips in EVs are now a reality, not a dream. Charging networks are expanding rapidly, making it easier than ever to travel long distances without worry. This isn't a passing trend, it's the future of transportation. Cities are adapting, infrastructure is growing, and more people are making the switch every day. The electric revolution is here, and it's moving faster than anyone expected. The next few years will bring even more dramatic changes, with new models, better batteries, and smarter technology. It's an incredible time to be a car enthusiast. Whether you love speed, technology, or just the thrill of the drive, electric cars are opening up a whole new world of possibilities. The electric shift isn't happening by accident. Governments are helping. Incentives like tax credits and rebates make EVs more affordable. Perks like reduced registration fees and tax exemptions sweeten the deal. Massive investments are building public charging networks everywhere. The goal: make charging as easy as filling up with gas. Many places are setting deadlines to phase out new gas cars. Automakers and governments are all in, accelerating the transition. This coordinated push is driving the electric revolution forward. The road to an all-electric future has challenges. Charging access is a big one, easy at home, tougher for apartment dwellers. Public charging networks are growing, but not everywhere yet. Battery cost and lifespan worry buyers. Batteries are expensive and degrade over time. Charging takes longer than filling a gas tank, especially on the go. Range anxiety and charging time are real concerns. These hurdles are slowing adoption for some. But the industry is working hard on solutions. Progress is happening fast. The good news? Solutions are coming quickly. Battery prices are dropping fast thanks to better tech and mass production. Soon EVs will cost the same as gas cars. New batteries hold more energy, last longer, and charge faster. Automakers offer long warranties, easing fears about battery replacement. Charging infrastructure is expanding everywhere. Stores, highways, workplaces. Ultra-fast chargers can add hundreds of miles in minutes. Cities are requiring EV chargers in new buildings. Innovative solutions like streetlight chargers are emerging. Cheaper, better batteries and more chargers are removing barriers. The excuses for not going electric are disappearing. This isn't just about cars, it's a revolution in energy and mobility. Millions of EVs form a giant distributed energy storage network. Vehicle-to-grid tech could help stabilize the power grid. The auto industry is being disrupted. New players, more competition, better choices. Electric cars are simpler, opening doors for innovation. Cars are becoming mobile spaces. Work, relax, be entertained. Cities will change, with less parking and more green space. The electric transition is building smarter, greener, more livable cities. The future of cars is electric. There's no turning back. Around the world, cities and highways are already transforming as electric vehicles become a common sight. This shift isn't just a trend, it's a revolution in how we move, live, and think about transportation. Environmental need, tech advances, and performance make EVs irresistible. Cleaner air, quieter streets, and the promise of a healthier planet are driving this change. At the same time, breakthroughs in battery technology and charging infrastructure are making electric cars more accessible and convenient than ever before. Every major automaker is committed to electric. From established brands to innovative startups, the industry is investing billions to create new models, improve range, and offer more choices for every driver. The question isn't if, but how fast the transition will happen. Governments are setting ambitious targets, and incentives are making it easier for people to make the switch. The pace of change is accelerating every year. EVs are quieter, smoother, and cheaper to run. The instant torque delivers a thrilling drive, while the silence inside the cabin makes every journey more relaxing. Owners are discovering that electric cars are not just efficient, they're enjoyable. Fewer moving parts mean less maintenance. Say goodbye to oil changes, spark plugs, and complex engine repairs. Electric vehicles are designed for simplicity and reliability, saving time and money over the life of the car. No oil changes, no exhaust systems, just plug in and go. Charging at home is as easy as charging your phone, and public charging networks are expanding rapidly, making long trips easier than ever. As batteries and charging improve, gas cars' advantages disappear. Fast charging stations can add hundreds of kilometers in minutes, and new battery tech means longer range and shorter charging times. Driving electric is practical, powerful, and fun. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or just running errands, EVs deliver a unique and exciting experience for everyone. It's a chance to clean our air and build a sustainable future. Every electric car on the road means less pollution and a better quality of life for our communities. The cars we choose today shape the world for tomorrow. By going electric, we're investing in a cleaner, smarter, and more sustainable future for generations to come. The electric revolution is here. Get ready to enjoy the ride. Communities are coming together to celebrate this new era, and the excitement is just beginning. The future starts the moment you get behind the wheel. With every drive, you're part of a movement that's changing the world for the better.